Good afternoon. I'm Carla.
I'm Daniel.
And we're Hoovers on the Move.
Yes, we are.
And guess what?
What?
We're out going to do an adventure, and this is kind of a continuation of Daniel's birthday. And we're going to bring you guys along with us, and we're going to tell you more about it right after this commercial. Oh, I'm back already. Hi.
All right, we're back.
I'm wearing an appropriate t-shirt
Yes.
because we are at Honey Island Swamp Tours, and
It is in Slidell, Louisiana.
Yeah,
We have crossed the line again.
we've crossed over.
Yes.
So we are going to be jumping on a kind of like pontoon boat, sort of, and we're going to be taking a tour,
We're gonna do a swamp tour.
and it's going to be fun. I can't wait. Hopefully we get to see alligators and crocodiles, and I don't know what else we're going to get to see, but we're going to bring you guys along with us. It's going to be fun.
And apparently there's racoons.
So
We're gonna see all kinds of swamp critters, hopefully.
yeah, yes, I'm
Sea
excited.
turtles.
So here we are. Honey Island Swamp Tours. This is their little office shack, probably store. We'll go inside and check that out. Come over here. You see we parked out there. Come over here, you see the river over there. They've already got a couple of boats in over there. We're gonna be taking something like that out there into the wild. Go find us some critters. This is what we call swamp. Yep, right behind their building here. All right, well, as soon as Mom gets through losing her head over here, what you got in your hand there, Mom?
Well, they have a really nice flyer that they have left. They have a bunch of them here, but they also supply for the rest areas and things like that. But it kind of gives you a whole bunch of information as to what they do and how the different swamp tours work. I think it's pretty reasonable. We paid $34 an adult for this on Viator, and I think it's pretty reasonable for a 2-hour tour. So we're gonna check this out and see what's in store for us today.
2 hours. No restroom. Here we go. There's your gator degrees. 70 degrees. I need that sign for the house for Hudson. Loading up. We're on the water.
I didn't do anything. Trying to hurry up and eat my candy. I don't want the alligators to get it.
Gotta go before we can get out of here, okay? Y'all, please stay seated for me while we're here on the river. I have a few logs, a few stumps. It is my first day. No idea where they are. We're all gonna find them together, okay? Rail's gonna be there for a reason. Keep everything inside off the rails. We cannot smoke on the boat. Cigars, cigarettes, vapes, anything of the sort. And if we do need life jackets, they're underneath the seats in those compartments, okay? Everyone good with that?
Perfect.
Ready to have some fun?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Enthusiastic. Love it. Okay. Even though we're only 8 miles to Lake Moore, only 30 miles to the Gulf, all the water here is fresh water. It's not a tidal swamp up this far. It's all rainfall and snowmelt that we get throughout the year. Now, majority of the land out here on the right, all going to be privately owned. Lots of homes and camps that are along the Pearl River. They're kind of pretty, isn't it? Why would y'all not want to live right here along the river? Running water, so take wells about 60 to 80 feet deep within aquifer, have fresh water, hot water, satellite TV, internet. That's about all it is. Animals? White-tailed deer, feral hogs, squirrels, raccoons, opossums, turkeys, rabbits, bobcats, coyotes. Population of more than 100 black bear, and there's also been a few Florida panthers that have been running around for the past few years. What do they eat? Whatever they can get their mouths on.
Yeah.
Besides our alligators, Florida panthers would be at the top of the food chain. So what we're not seeing too much of anymore right here, just with that freeze and all that snow that we had last week, are these elephant ears. And there's still a few that are dotted along the right-hand side here. During the summertime, this is the green lush wall of those elephant ears. They're not native, they do not belong. People plant them in their yards. As we have storms, they wash out of their yards and make their way down here to our swamps. So we lose over a football field of land every 30 minutes due to erosion here in Louisiana. The state keeps them on their properties just to keep that soil intact. The more land we have, less intense our storms are when they make it to land. Those big green heart-shaped leaves. These smaller lying greenish plants are going to be our wild purple iris, which happens to be our state wildflower. As long as that head is above the water surface, they got nostrils at the tip of their nose, and then they have ears just behind their eyes as well. Both of those are flaps. They will close those flaps off, seal them off before they go underwater, keep from introducing water into their body. Right around 80 teeth in their mouth. All those teeth are hollow conical shape. They don't have any molars. They're not chewing anything up. Everything is swallowed whole. Italy have every adaptation to survive through anything. That's why they've been around for 80 million years. Ancestors before alligators, 237 million years ago. Cockroaches and mosquitoes unfortunately made it out as well. Do without each other.
Yeah.
How many of y'all came on the tour?
Is that crazy or what?
Just one? Sure. Yeah, always a bonus this time of the year.
We found a raccoon. Look at this guy. He's coming out to check us out.
He's coming right out here.
Oh, he's right there.
He's looking to eat us.
He's posing for the camera.
Yeah, that could be the problem. They could definitely jump in his boat if they really, truly wanted to.
Really? Oh, look at him. He's so
I see
cute.
you. I see
You
you.
can feed them.
Oh, there comes
Oh, there
Very,
comes
very used to us. That's why they're hanging around right here.
They're probably looking
Usually
for.
only see
they're probably
raccoons
used to-
during
probably feed
nighttime.
them.
They're nocturnal.
They're looking for.
They are very clean animals.
They're looking for marshmallows.
And they want something to eat.
They're playing me right now.
Oh, he's gonna a little further. A little further. He's thinking about it.
Oh my God. Look at those feet.
Well, you did a trick now. Now he wants to get rewarded.
I went over here trying to figure out how you can jump on the bird.
This is pretty much where these guys hang out.
Uh-oh.
What's a
all
nuts?
the time.
Oh my God.
You don't got nothing for you.
Do not do an awe over them, please.
Don't encourage him.
As long as they're not in the boat, they please. Little.
Is an inspiration for Disney for the Princess and the Frog.
Really deceiving though. Oldest living
800
sandwich
years
tree in
old.
Louisiana's west of us in St. Francisville.
Wow.
It's 43 feet around, estimated to be 3,000 years old. So it makes this tree look tiny compared to it. Shallow back here, and of course when it gets shallow, you're picking up that mud, and you will have a owners coming
Y'all
in.
wonder where I shop for my beard.
So that's going to be all the detritus, the leaves, the needles.
It is. We got all the turtles lined up. We got our gator. Oh, that's a good sized gator too. We got this bird fixing to take off. There you go. We got the whole gang. They was having a meeting.
So usually November to March, mature alligators are not eating, and that's why those turtles felt really, really safe hanging out right there by that alligator's mouth. Again, they're relying on the heat, sunshine. Summertime, it is a different story.
Alligator, let's get out of here.
Got everybody trying to get in over here. All right, so we're gonna do a little wrap up, but I have to say that I highly recommend this place. Very reasonable in price, very friendly, family-owned business since what,
1982 is when they first started tours here.
Yeah, so when you come out, you just check in right here behind us at this nice little cabin here, and then they'll get you all squared away. Make sure you do show up at least 30 minutes early, and that way you can get checked in and kind of see what you're going to be involved in, and use the restroom before you go, because it's a kind of like a pontoon boat. There is no restroom on there.
Now, I mean, what do y'all think? Y'all have seen us do. We've done dolphin tours. We've done whale tours. We've done, well, this time we went gator touring. We saw some gators. We saw some raccoons. We saw some turtles. We saw some birds. A couple of different varieties. Snakes. I mean,
yeah,
you really can't beat that for a swamp tour.
Yeah, it was nice.
They did a really good job, and they have a really good spot to go hunt those things down.
Yep, I agree. So with that being said, I'll leave all the details down below in the description down there, so make sure you check it out. If you're in the Louisiana Slidell area, you should definitely check out this place. I think you would really enjoy it. So they did say that the 2 o'clock, 1:30 tours are generally the best time to go. I'll give you that tidbit. Because during school season, they do have, you know, morning tours and things like that for kids.
Not only that, that's the heat of the day, and if there's sun especially, you're going to have them gators and turtles and all them up there sunbathing throughout there, and it makes it a whole lot easier to be able to find them.
Exactly, I agree. So Anyway, Hoovers on the Move is going to sign out now because we got some other things planned.
We're gonna go eat.
And we're going
That's
to go
what
eat.
she's saying.
So, we love you guys. Stay tuned. There's going to be lots more videos to come. And, you quit. Hoovers on the Move.
We're out.
We're out.
See ya.
See you in the next video. Bye. Beep.